What's up guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Are you using GoDaddy email and it's suddenly not working or not sending and receiving messages? If yes, this video is for you. GoDaddy email issues can happen for a variety of reasons, such as incorrect server settings, password problem, connection errors, or issues with your email client. To help get your GoDaddy email running smoothly, I'll share the most effective solutions right here. If you need more help, you can dial the numbers on the screen to speak with our experts. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions. Begin by opening a web browser on your PC and search for GoDaddy. From the search results, click on the Sign In option under the GoDaddy option. After that, enter your GoDaddy account credentials. Once you've entered the correct sign-in details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. After that, the GoDaddy account dashboard will open. Now, you'll need to scroll down to Domain option and then click the Manage option next to the domain name. On the Open page, make sure you've selected DNS option in the left side panel. Next, you need to click on the Name Server tab. After that, go ahead and click on the Change Name Server option. On the Open pop-up, you need to choose the recommended option for the domain and then click on the Save option. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.